Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, let's revise whatever we have learned so far in English subject. Here, there is one picture in front of you. One by one, you will tell me what do you see in this picture. Yes, what are the things are there? Just call. Yeah, there is a mountain, and behind the mountain sun is there. What else is there next to that? बादल नहीं है, इसको इंग्लिश में clouds कहते हैं. All of you say together, clouds. Yes, clouds. What is happening in this picture? Rain is falling. It's raining. So rain is falling from where? From the sky. The rain is falling from the sky. And where the water is collected? पानी कहाँ पर जमा हुआ है? नीचे. देखो जमीन पर है. और वहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? ये देखो ये क्या है? What is this? Boat. The boat is sailing in the water. And here you see, yes, a boy is there. He is holding an umbrella in his hand and walking in this water. You have learned some of the things from this picture from last 2-3 days. So tell me, where are the slanting lines in this picture? Yes, tell. Slanting lines are there in the mountain, where we have got the picture of a mountain. Picture of a mountain. Then standing line. Where did you learn standing line? Yes, math subject you have learned the standing line. Where it is? See here. Yes, in the umbrella you get a standing line. What else you learned yesterday? Slipping line. See here. These are the slipping lines. And now you are going to learn curves. Different curve. Now here you saw standing line. Here you saw slanting line. Here you saw a slipping line in an umbrella. Is umbrella complete? No. Umbrella is incomplete because umbrella needs a curve upon it. So now we are going to make this type of curves. Even opposite directions also will make different type of curves in our copy. Here also in the sun there is a curve. So now here is one worksheet for you. Look here. What you have to do here? Here there are different dots and you have to join every dot and make a different curve. See here. Join every dot and make a different curve. This is this side is open and this open is this side. This is upward open. This is downward. And now the last fifth curve we are going to do with these two curves. First we'll draw the second curve here and then we'll go to the first one. So this is another curve we have got here. These are the 5 curves. So dear children, you have learned in English, slanting line, slipping lines, and different curves for before we could begin our alphabets. And in math subject you have learned circle and standing line, and all these strokes and curves are very important in this subject. Your parents will help you to draw the dots in your copy. Yes, English copy. And you will hold pencil yourself in your own hand and join every dot. See you tomorrow.